Thinking about buying the best electric air duster? With so many high-speed turbojet blowers available, choosing the right one can be difficult. In this video, we've compared the top 5 best electric air dusters of 2026 based on performance, features, and customer reviews to help you find the perfect option for PC, car, and home cleaning. Stay until the end to see our number 1 pick. Let's get started. Number 5. This handheld turbo fan is designed to deliver powerful cooling wherever you go. Featuring a high-speed brushless motor, it provides strong and consistent airflow while remaining energy efficient. The rechargeable USB design makes it convenient for outdoor adventures, travel, office work, and everyday use. Its compact, portable build fits easily into a bag or backpack, making it perfect for staying cool on the move. If you need a reliable and portable cooling solution, this fan is definitely worth considering. Number 4. This high-speed electric air blower is built for powerful and efficient cleaning. Featuring a brushless motor and a large 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it delivers strong airflow for removing dust from PCs, keyboards, cars, and other electronics. Its cordless design provides maximum portability, while the high-pressure performance makes cleaning faster and easier. Certified for quality and designed for home DIY projects, this rechargeable turbo blower is a reliable choice for anyone looking for a powerful, long-lasting, and convenient dust cleaning solution. Number 3. Experience next-level cleaning power with the 2026 Turbo Violent Air Blower. Featuring an ultra-fast brushless motor rated up to 80,000 RPM and an 800 to 999 watt output, this rechargeable handheld blower delivers powerful airflow for removing dust, debris, and dirt with ease. Its 5-speed control lets you adjust performance for different tasks, while the long-lasting battery ensures extended use. Built-in LED lighting improves visibility in dark areas, making it perfect for cleaning electronics, workshops, garages, vehicles, and other home DIY projects quickly and efficiently. Number 2. Introducing the new P70 Turbo Air Blower. Engineered for fast and efficient cleaning with a powerful brushless motor delivering up to 90,000 RPM performance. Its cordless design offers complete freedom, while the 4 adjustable speed levels let you handle everything from delicate electronics to heavy-duty dust removal. The built-in LED light improves visibility in dark spaces, and the battery display keeps you informed of power status. Perfect for home DIY projects, keyboards, vehicles, workshops, and other precision cleaning tasks. Number 1. Meet the JXC01 Handheld Mini Turbo Air Blower, designed for powerful and portable performance. Featuring a high-speed motor reaching up to 45,000 RPM and wind speeds of 52 meters per second, it quickly removes dust, debris, and even light snow. The built-in 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery delivers reliable cordless operation for extended use. Perfect for cleaning computers, cars, keyboards, barbecue grills, and more. This compact blower also works as a cooling fan and portable hairdryer for everyday convenience.